The Insurance Application Management Dashboard provides a complete overview of insurance applications. Using this dashboard, business users can monitor application status, analyze trends, track performance, and make faster data-driven decisions. This section shows the distribution of application status, and the number of applications across different insurance policy types. This section gives insights into application distribution across regions and helps identify the overall risk profile of submitted applications. Premium and rejection analysis shows average premiums by policy type alongside the top reasons insurance applications get rejected, helping teams quickly spot pricing trends and application failure patterns. This chart helps us understand which age group applies the most and during which months application activity is highest. This table highlights the top 10 policies ranked by policy amount, providing a clear view of the highest value policies in the portfolio. In this demonstration, we will now convert a SAP BO dashboard into Power BI using the DataTerrain Automation tool. The automation engine seamlessly converts the underlying queries, dashboard layout, and visualizations such as charts and graphs, while preserving the same structure and design as the original SAP BO dashboard. Start by selecting the SAP BO dashboard file you wish to migrate. Then, choose the output folder where the converted Power BI files should be placed. After clicking Convert, the automation engine initiates the migration process, and the console provides a live view of each dashboard element being converted into Power BI. The converted output includes both the conversion log and the Power BI dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard has been successfully recreated in Power BI, preserving all the original elements and design from the SAP BO dashboard.